Hiya, this is Andy of Japandy, and you're looking at a Blitz Super Sound blow-off valve. Blitz is one of the premier performance companies in Japan, and this valve is on a flange that's specific for the Nissan Silvia, also known as the 180SX and 200SX and 240SX, depending on the international market in which it is sold. And this flange is specific for the S14 version, SR20DET. You'll sometimes find that in the US as well with engine swaps and things. For the S14, this flange will attach to the side of the intercooler and just right into the stock piping there. Very, very simple. Okay. The valve itself is universal and adjustable. You can see the valve here. We have on the top, this is the nipple where the vacuum line attaches, and here we have the spring tensioning bolt and lock nut. And this here is the body of the valve, and over here we have the trumpet. Okay. Now, just to explain the function of it, when you're driving under boost and you change gear, there's a sudden drop in the inner manifold pressure. The inner manifold pressure is connected by a rubber hose to the L-shaped nipple on top here, and that acts to pull on the spring, pull on the piston, which is held in place by the spring. Depending on the tension of the spring, it will be activated by whatever boost pressure, whatever vacuum pressure you decide, and that will be enough to lift the piston and release the excess boost pressure that you have here, releasing it so it does no harm to your car, to your vehicle. Okay, and when it does, it makes that desirable psst sound, or psst sound, which everybody wants, of course. And that's the reason for having a blow-off valve. Okay, the Blitz blow-off valve is very high quality. It has a brass piston and a very good quality steel spring. The top vacuum nipple is very well designed in the fact that it can swing around, and it's at 90 degrees, which means there is no tension on the boost hose, which is an issue over a number of years. You can get corrosion in the boost hose, and if there's tension in it, it will cause it to crack. This L shape is a very good idea because it allows the boost hose to sit relaxed without any tension and provides for a longer life. The trumpet here, you can see, is beautifully shaped and designed to produce the maximum amount of sound and to give it a directional quality. So you can either turn it, depending on how you bolt this on, you can flip it 180 degrees so it faces the other direction. You can have it produce the sound towards the driver's side against the firewall to make it sound loud within the passenger compartment, or you can turn it outside towards the road so that everybody can hear you coming. Okay, what else? I'll show you some more shots of the same valve. Just flip over here. This is a shot from the other side. This is a used valve, and as you can see, it's very clean. This is the main body of the valve here. Okay, from this side, you can see that there's a few marks, scratches, things like that, but on the whole, very, very clean. It's actually quite unusual to have them as clean as this because usually the surface is affected by road salt and various spillages of solvents and things onto the hood, and to have it in this pristine condition, it's a rare thing. Okay, you can see there's a little bit of paint off the flange itself, but this is where it's covered by the collar and where the hose clip was tensioned against the pipe. It's caused some of the paint to be rubbed off, but you won't see that once it's attached anyway, reattached. Okay, to give you an idea of 3D perspective of the valve, you can see that on an angle. You can see how well designed the trumpet is. See the trumpet there, and how the body of the valve has some 3D aspects, and it's very attractive. Okay, and from the side here we can see again the design of the valve, very attractive, with the Blitz logo, with the lightning Blitz logo. Again, looks great under the hood, makes a great sound, and just what you want to impress your friends, girlfriend, and whomever. Okay, thank you for your time.